And here with us today is karate champion Sayada Falak, who has been representing India and the city Hyderabad on greater heights. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Very good to have you. So let's begin off by asking, how did your journey begin? What interested you to start off your journey with karate?
Actually, when I was in seventh standard, my coach demonstrated some karate techniques. So I was very much fascinated, and I wanted to learn self-defense and become fit. So I joined karate.
Karate is not considered to be one of the mainstream sports in India.
Hmm.
And moreover, so it's not seemed to be fit for girls. But you still took up the sport. So, what kind of support did you receive from your parents or anybody
It is
around you?
actually very fit for girls, especially because girls can learn to defend themselves, and at the same time they can become fit. And my parents have supported me from the beginning, and they are the reason behind my success.
That's very nice. So, as your journey began, what are the hardships that you faced while learning karate?
From the beginning, everyone were like, you're going to learn a man's sport, it's a karate, you'll become a boy, you'll become a man. But my parents were supportive, and I wanted to learn it and show it to everyone, and I did it. And from the beginning, uh, my parents have supported me a lot, but there are less training facilities here in Hyderabad.
Did you ever feel that choosing the sport was not a right option? Did you ever have that thought in your mind?
No, I never felt that.
Okay, so we have sports like badminton, tennis, and all, which have been supported very highly on an international platform as a national platform. They're advertised for very well, and I think the winners are also projected very much. But we don't see don't see the same thing with karate or other lesser sports. So, how do you think the Telangana government is going forward in this realm?
Telangana government is very supportive for all the sports. But the thing is, we have many karatekas here in India, and all over the world there are many karate practitioners. But here in India, we don't have much champions at an international level. We need more exposure for them. And if many girls or boys or players come up in this sport at international level, then this sport will also become famous. So it will be same like other sports nowadays.
So, do you think that this part, or this is one aspect where Telangana government has to work forward? What is that one aspect that you want the government to work towards?
Already the government is supporting for sports. The one aspect they need to work on is build sports city in Hyderabad.
As you said, karate is one very useful sport for women.
Hmm.
So, do you think people must open up or should advertise more for karate so that girls take up to joining karate?
Yeah, much awareness should be there that you can learn self defense, and nowadays it's very important for girls to learn it. So much awareness should be there so that girls take up the sport.
So, looking forward in your journey, what is your ambition? What is your goal? Where do you choose to be in the next few years?
I want to represent India at the upcoming Asian Games 2018 and 2020 Olympics. I want to qualify for it.
We see you as one major role model for girls because you have taken up this very challenging sport. So, what is your message to the girls over there?
Girls about taking up karate. Taking up it professionally is different, and learning self defense is different. But at the same time, if you learn it professionally, you will learn to defend yourself and also become fit. So it's not just a man's sport. If girls choose it and learn it, they'll become strong and confident.
So, who have been training you in your journey? Who have been training you for your games?
My first coach was Balram Rajput. Then I also train with the national coach Altaf Alam from Chennai, and currently here in Hyderabad, Muhammad Shafi is training me.
Okay. So, we heard that you've represented the country a lot of times. So, what are the milestones that you've crossed so far?
I'm the first Telanganite to have been qualified to represent India at the World and Asian Karate Championships, and I'm also the first Telanganite to win the senior national title. I have won 18 international level championships and 21 national level championships till date.
That's a remarkable history, I think. What social responsibility do you feel you have as a Hyderabad, as an Indian, because you are a strong defender of the sport karate. So, what is your social responsibility?
Uh, my social responsibility is that I should bring more awareness among the women and girls of Hyderabad, Telangana, and India that women empowerment is very essential for our country's development. And nowadays, it's also very important for girls to come up in such combat sports, and they should become strong and confident.
So, are there any plans in the future that you train girls or you train?
Yeah, I have a
kids in
plan to
karate?
open up a karate academy, especially for girls.
Okay, that's a very nice thing to hear. Championing for such a great game, I think, not just for girls, for boys as well as girls in India. I think you're doing a great job, and I think all the girls in the city will look forward to you, will look up to you as a huge role model. We congratulate you, and we also wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Basking away to glory with a sport like karate is not easy. And I think Saida Falak has been doing an excellent job.